Greetings. This is Honolulu Blue from HB Cruising with a discussion of what happened on the last sea day on my recent cruise on the Celebrity Millennium. I had big plans for this day, but first of all I had another wonderful breakfast. Again, the space wasn't too crowded. I never found out how many people were on this cruise, but it could not possibly have been sold out or even close. I went to the theater to hear Captain Pierre speak about navigational items. It may sound totally boring, but it absolutely was not. I go into some more detail in the linked video. After arriving back at the room, my cabin steward Neves offered me champagne that someone was giving to me. I don't drink, so it was of no value to me. I had to decline. I wondered why I was offered the free bottle. Perhaps it was an acknowledgement of my birthday, which happened to be that day. Later on I got a magnet attached to a birthday card, which I appreciated more than the champagne. I realized that I'm the crazy one here. The other video I watched while on this cruise was Chicago 55, the last band on stage. It was about the experience and history of the band of Chicago before, during, and after the COVID-19 pandemic. It was quite good. It helped that I liked the band and its music. The weather was beautiful all day from what I could see from my window. As the sun was setting, I decided to see Kristina Wells, the vocalist, and her show later that evening. After dinner, I went to the theater to see her in concert. Sadly, not too many others did, as this show was even more lightly attended than Boogie Wonderland earlier in the cruise. Ms. Wells did the tunes of the 70s divas, think Olivia Newton-John, Donna Summer, and many others. She even did an unplugged version of How Deep Is Your Love. To summarize, she had a big voice and I liked her a lot. I wish I had seen her other show earlier in the cruise. For more about Ms. Wells, watch the other video I linked. This ended my adventures on the cruise. Thank you for coming along with me for the ride. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for easier access to my other videos on solo cruising and music-themed cruises.